Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're driving into Ocho Rios, and Ocho Rios is in St Ann Jamaica, and we're going into the town center. So we're on the Ocho Rios bypass now, and we're going into the town center. Now straight ahead is Sandals Royal Plantation. Now, Sandals is the largest hotel chain in Jamaica, so it's owned by Jamaicans, and they have hotels all over the Caribbean. And they have some of the best hotels. It's a 5-star hotel, and it's some of the best hotels in the world. Okay, so now you're going to see a lot of villas, apartments. Basically, it's places for tourists to stay. They are mostly on the right, because that's the side that the beach is on. Now, Ocho Rios is a tourist town. We have a lot of... Okay, down on the right is Sandals Ochi Beach Resort, and it's on both sides of the road. So there are hundreds of hotels in the St Ann area, and quite a few actually in Ocho Rios. Okay, over here is villas, Sombrero, Sambia, and over here is another very popular Crystal Cove. Villas, mostly Airbnb rentals in those villas. But because of the beach on the north coast, it's very popular for tourism. So you have a lot of hotels on the north coast. And Ocho Rios is actually one of the more popular locations for tourists to stay, because they have the attractions like Duns River Falls, which is the #1 attraction in Jamaica, Dolphin Cove, which is the #2 attraction, and they have a lot more attractions. So even if tourists come, say they're staying in Montego Bay or Negril, they'll probably take a tour and come to these attractions here in Ocho Rios. And also you have a lot of cruise ships that come into Ocho Rios. Ocho Rios has one of the 3 piers in Jamaica. Ports, sorry. So okay, now we're going to look at the town center of Ocho Rios. And you're not really going to find a lot of hotels on this side. This is mostly for the persons that live in Ocho Rios or live around the area. Ocho Rios will be the main town where you're going to find the tax office, the police station, the NHD office, NIS office. Basically the banks, the infrastructure that people need, where you would come to do your shopping, those big supermarkets. So you have a lot of communities on the outskirts of Ocho Rios like Boscobel, Tower Isle, and these places have lots of villas, but they don't have like banks, those kind of things. They're just basically tourist residential areas where you have well, they're not residential because there are a lot of hotels and villas. They're basically tourist areas, but where you come to find like the large supermarkets, the banks, the government agencies, the restaurants, those kind of things, is in the town of Ocho Rios, the business places in Ocho Rios. Now, Ocho Rios got hit hard during COVID because it's a tourist town basically, from the tourists staying at the hotels to the cruise ships. Now look straight ahead on the hill. Those are all villas, apartments that people rent to tourists. Airbnb rentals, timeshare, you name it. That is how large industry is in Ocho Rios. So now you find the digital office, the supermarkets, the what you call it, transportation, the bus parks, the transportation hubs, the plazas. There's a gas station on the left. Straight ahead is plazas. So this part of Ocho Rios is the town center now. You can see there are a lot of buses, and these aren't the tour buses, these are the regular buses. Okay, further up the road is a police station. Here you can see a lot of shopping in this area. You can see the taxis just stop in the okay, now here down here you have Captain's Bakery, you have Jamaica National Bank, you have Guardian Group, you have GMB Bank straight across. On the other side of the road you have more plazas. It's the NHD office on the left. On the right is Scotia Bank. This is Main Street in Ocho Rios now. Here you have the Burger King, the NCB Bank. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.